Have you ever wondered where words come from, or why certain words are so similar across different languages? Welcome to the world of etymology, the study of the history and origins of words. In this video, we're going to explore how etymology has shaped our understanding of language and the importance it holds in connecting us to our past. The word etymology comes from two Greek words, etymon, meaning true sense or original meaning, and logos, meaning word or study. Essentially, etymology uncovers the roots of words, tracking their journey through time and culture. It helps us understand not just where words come from, but how their meanings have shifted over centuries. The study of etymology isn't a modern invention. It dates back to ancient Greece. Greek philosophers like Plato were among the first to consider how words and their meanings are connected. In his dialogue Cratylus, Plato asked if words naturally correspond to what they describe, or if this connection is completely arbitrary. Although speculative, Plato's work laid the foundation for thinking about words and their origins. Later, Roman scholars like Varro and Isidore of Seville built on these early ideas. In fact, Isidore's book, Etymology, written in the 7th century, is considered one of the first comprehensive attempts to organize knowledge based on the origins of words. Isidore connected words to their original meanings to explain a wide range of topics, from animals to religious customs. This work was vital for medieval scholars as they attempted to preserve and understand ancient texts. During the Renaissance, the revival of classical Greek and Latin texts reignited interest in etymology. Scholars of this era believed that understanding the roots of words could help them interpret ancient works more accurately. By the 19th century, etymology became a more scientific discipline thanks to advancements in comparative linguistics. Figures like Sir William Jones and the Grimm brothers noticed systematic connections between languages, leading to the development of historical linguistics. So why does etymology matter today? Well, words often carry hidden stories within them. For example, the English word salary comes from the Latin word salarium, which referred to payments given to Roman soldiers to buy salt. Salt was a valuable commodity, and its connection to salary reminds us of its historical significance. Then there's the word quarantine, which comes from the Italian quaranta, meaning 40. In medieval Venice, ships suspected of carrying plague had to wait for 40 days before docking. These stories highlight how etymology connects us to pivotal moments in history. But etymology isn't just about history. It's also about understanding how ideas and meanings evolve. Take the word knight. In Old English, it meant youth or servant, but over time it came to signify a person of noble status, reflecting changes in social hierarchies and values. Etymology also helps us learn languages more effectively. Recognizing common roots can make it easier to understand new vocabulary. For example, if you know that the Latin root port means to carry, you can easily grasp words like transport, import, and portable. In essence, etymology isn't just about words. It's about stories, culture, and connections. It serves as a bridge between the past and the present, revealing how language evolves alongside humanity. So the next time you use a word, remember, it's not just a collection of letters, it's a piece of history. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of words, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on history, culture, and language. Thanks for watching.